In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unequip players in MLB The Show 24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to sell a player, for example, and the game won't allow it, it's mostly because the game still thinks that you are using him in one of your lineups. So, to do this and be able to manage the player however you wish, all that you have to do is go over to your Manage Squad screen. When you access your current squad, at the top you will see the option to see various different squads, where you see the overall total score of this team. So select that option and you will see all of the other squads or lineups that you have ready. Basically, you need to go through all of these. You need to make sure that the specific player that you are trying to manage or sell, for example, is not in any of these lineups. This includes the main lineups that you have, event lineups, and mini season lineups. You need to make sure that he is fully subbed out and not just on the bench. So go through all of the teams that you see here, and once you find a specific player that you would like to substitute, just highlight him and press the respective button, for example, X on PlayStation. And you will be able to repeat these steps as many times as you need with as many players as you would like to substitute. Make sure that they are not benched, and remember to check your main lineups, your event lineups, and your mini season lineups. Once again, I recommend that you do this process through the Manage Squad screen. Go to the very top where it shows your team overall rating, and when you select it, the drop-down menu with all of the other teams that you have is going to appear. From there, the player may still be in your lineup on one of the presenting lineups for your main or even other seasons. So choose the appropriate one, remove him, and repeat as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to unequip players in MLB The Show 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.